T Chow is a good worker. A good man.
我最近身體有啲問題。
有咩問題啊？
我靚仔咗好多。
And a good father. But when his son wants something,
呢個就係長江1號啊！你同我都有，好好玩㗎。
he just can't afford.
你走啦，快啲放翻低。
哦。
He knows just where to go.
仲犀利過長江1號嘅喎，你想唔想睇下？
係咪嚟侵略地球㗎？
呢啲高科技嘅質地我真係未見過㗎，個彈力咁強嘅。
From Stephen Chow, director of Shaolin Soccer and Kung Fu Hustle.
咁出現，教尋日掛住同你話，都冇咁溫書，不如你幫手嚟。
Comes a comedy that's out of this world. CJ7.